Hi, welcome to the tutorial about BankTree Personal Finance, version 3. In this tutorial, I will talk to you about how to set up your accounts. When you first run the software, you have two sample accounts already added. They are called the cash account and the investment account. They have been added so you can become familiar with the software, and so you can see different types of transactions. To start with, we will create a brand new data file to which we can add some new accounts. Go to the File menu and select New. You are then shown the Create New Data File dialog box. On the left of the screen, you can select your drives and folders. You can use this to set the location of your file. I will call my file My File, and then I will click on Save. We now have an empty file to which we can add accounts. Because there are no accounts in this file, you are prompted to add a new account. You are given two options: to either add a new cash account or to add a new investment account. A cash account is simply any account that has a monetary value, such as a current account, a savings account, a credit card account, a loan or an asset. Even an investment, such as an ISA, can be classed as a cash account. An investment account, however, is a very specific type of account that is defined by stocks and shares. The value changes based on the price of the shares. We will create a cash account to start with. So, select the option to add a cash account, and then click Next. We now need to enter some basic information about our account. Not all the information requested is mandatory, but you do have a convenient place to store all important information about your account. Enter the name of your account in the Account field. The type of account is already selected for you as Cash Account. You then have to pick the account group. There is a list of account groups available. Having an account group will be useful in allowing the account to be grouped in the Accounts bar, which is shown on the left. In this instance, I will pick the bank group. I can then select an account number, if that is required. I can enter a bank name. This is not mandatory, but all UK banks should be listed. If your bank is not listed, you can add it here. I now need to set the opening balance for my current or savings account. It would be a positive value. For a credit card, however, it would be a negative value, and you would need to use the minus sign before you enter the amount. Press Enter to save the opening balance. You also need to set the currency. The system will use the default currency, which is set based on your Windows system settings. If, however, you want to assign a different currency, do your account, and then there is a long list of currencies available. The final remaining option is called Close Account. Close Account is used when you do not use an account anymore. It can be hidden from the list of normal accounts. By checking this option, the account would only be visible if you selected the option Show Closed Accounts when you right-click on the account bar. Once you are satisfied you have completed the information correctly, click the Save button. If, for some reason, you need to start again, click on the New button to clear everything. Let's see what happens when we save. When we save the account, the new account is created with an opening balance of £100. On selecting the account register shows a new transaction for the opening balance with a credit category and a value of £100 paid in. I hope you have enjoyed the BankTree tutorial on accounts. This ends the tutorial. Bye for now.